What's your favorite part about Riot?
The intros at the beginning. I like that, yeah, I think that's cool.
When I first joined first in robotics, I thought it was all about the robotics part of it, but now that I've grown, I've seen more the leadership and the teamwork part of it.
When I first joined the team, I was super shy. I did not talk to anybody, but now I've become more confident, more outgoing.
I've definitely become more team-oriented, became a lot more open to communication. I was an awkward high schooler. I'm still an awkward high schooler, but it's what I love to do, you know?
So Riot was my first competition as an FTC student in 8th grade, and it really just introduced me to the sense of community that First has, and it continues to do so every year, and that's why I keep coming back.
My favorite part of Riot is probably all the teams and the people that go. I feel like it's a lot of a different energy than most other competitions I've been to.
Definitely the FRC-FTC split is really great. It's an overall really good experience. Definitely my favorite off-season event.
Probably the community. Everyone's just so friendly. There's never any negativity. Everyone's just getting along, having a good time.
I love the competitive spirit there and how everyone still really wants to win, but also everyone understands that it's a place that we can have fun but still compete.
Riot attracts the best of the best. You got a lot of awesome teams coming.
There's so many different cultures, so many different types of people.
And I think that I've become a better engineer, but also just a better all-around person.
Riot's a much more laid-back competition compared to other ones, which can be a lot more intense. And I think it just gives a lot of new students a good opportunity, which they would never get.
First has given me a home and a place where I feel comfortable, and I've been able to grow as a human being and just learn and love people. I love First and everything that it offers.